Yo, what is up, YouTube? Thank you for clicking on another of my videos. Welcome back to my subscribers and non-subscribers. What's up? So in this video, we're going to be going over the web slinger strategy part 2. If that name does not ring a bell, what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and click on part 1. It's right there, because in this video I'm gonna be moving a little bit faster, and if you don't understand part 1, I'm gonna make it hard for you to understand part 2. So go ahead and click on the video, and if you haven't watched part 1 since the first day I dropped it, then go ahead and refresh yourself, man. I'm gonna wait for you. We got nothing but time, all right? All right, so now that you're back, what I need you to do is I need you to tell me what is the first part of the web slinger strategy. All right, go ahead. I'm waiting. You gonna tell me? What is he waiting for? Are you gonna tell me? Me? Oh, the first step is to check the currency strength meter. Yeah, you know, I'll be doing my thing, man. I'll be studying.
If you think I'm here to play around with y'all, god damn it, I'm not.
Knock it out. Come on. All right, so the first step is to come to forexfactory.com, because you want to make sure that you're not trading with any news. In the last video when we came to Forex Factory, it said a senator was snitching. They said he was testifying, and it was red folders all day, because they never know. He's a wild card at that point. So you want to come to Forex Factory and you want to look for your time frame. Right now it is 2:46, and as you can see, there's no news for 2:46. All right, so it's a good time to trade. There's nothing but yellow candles, and that's really it. You want to trade only on yellow candles. Orange candles, let's just be aware, but red candles you do not want to trade. As you can see right now at 8:30 a.m. for CAD, there was red candles, employment change, unemployment rate. Things are going crazy over there right now, and we do not want to be a part of that, because we are just here to make money, okay? So Forex Factory, that is step number 1. All right, now on to step number 2. We are going to come to livecharts.co.uk, and this is our currency strength meter. The reason I say come to this website, because this is where we're getting all of our trade ideas, okay? So let me just give you guys a little tip. You can come to pocket options, you can click on the currencies, and you see you have a list of all the currencies. Right now we're going to go to the highest currency, the highest percentage, and we can see Euro CAD. So in our last video I said we're going to be doing all sales for this video, because in the last video we did all buys. So let's come back to currency strength meter and make sure that you always refresh, because things always change, okay? So we said we're going to be looking for Euro CAD, and in the last video it was basically whatever currency is the first pair. If that currency is stronger, it will be a buy. But now since we're doing all sales, whatever currency in the second pair, so for example Euro CAD is stronger, so that means that the market is going down, okay? All right, let me give you guys another example. We just want to look for anything with CAD at the end, because CAD is stronger, and if it's at the end, that means that the market is going down, okay? So let's look at AUD CAD. It's a 72%. Get back, let me see. All right, okay, so AUD CAD, that's another no. All right, I just want to show you guys another one. Let's do USD CAD. Just want to show you guys another one so you can have some examples. Okay, so you can see the US dollar is very weak right now, and if it was stronger than the CAD, that means that the market is going up. But since the CAD is stronger than the US dollar, that means the market is going down, and that means it's a good sell position, okay? All right, so now we're on to step number 3, and as you can see, we are on the web slinger, and it's in a downtrend, just like how the currency strength meter said that the CAD was stronger than the dollar, which means the market is going down. On the web slinger, it's saying the same exact thing, but one thing about the web slinger, it's going to tell you when to buy and when to sell. And I got to get something off my chest, all right? A lot of people have been hitting me up on Instagram. Yes, keep following me. I love it. But if you're going to hit me up on Instagram, I need you to go in my description, follow those steps, and just see how much this costs, okay? Because making money is not free. I had to do it just like how I'm trying to get you guys to do it if you actually want to trade. I'm not begging none of y'all to sign up. You don't have to. But if you would like to learn how to trade, join my private group, and have me as a mentor, then I need you to go in my description and just see how much it costs before you hit me up on Instagram. A lot of people just been hitting me up really to talk. Like, everybody just hits me up like, hey, I'm interested. And as soon as I really get into the details about how we really out here making this money, cuz, excuse me, when I really get into the details, everybody starts to disappear. So I need you to just see if that number is okay with you, because as you can see, it said the currency strength meter said we were in a downtrend. This thing is literally saying sell. They're not saying buy. They're literally saying sell. And every time it's a sell, the market goes down. Okay. So now that I got that out the way, let's go over how to use this web slinger. So the first thing you want to look for is this red cloud. Okay, that red cloud, the candles have to be underneath the red cloud. All right. So the second thing you have to look for is simply, let me just zoom in a little bit. All right, let me look for a good area before I just, let me see. Because just because it says sell, it's a good time to sell, but you want to be accurate. All right, you want to have as least risk as possible. Okay, now this is a good sell right here, this candle right here. So the reason I say it's a good one, because you see that little blue thin line. Let me try to zoom in just a little bit more. That blue thin line is not visible. All right, so that's one of the steps. So you want to make sure that blue thin line is not visible and that the candle is breaking through that red line. All right, I always look at the web slinger on the 5-minute time frame, because we're taking a 10 to 15 minute trades. In my last video, we were doing 5 and we kept profiting every single time. But I like to be safer. I like to do maybe like 7 to 10 to 15 minute trades, just to give myself enough time just in case I were to get spiked out. Okay, so the first step, the red cloud has to be above the candlesticks if you're looking for a sell. The next step is that blue line, it has to not be visible. All right, and the last step is that the red candle has to be breaking through this red line. Okay, so if it breaks through the red line, you're good. 9 times out of 10 it's going to say sell, and when it says sell, that's when you want to get in. Okay, so let me just do another one to give you guys another example. This is another good one, and if you're wondering what this green is, that does not mean buy. That means that the market is consolidating. Okay, it's low-key a good time to get in after the market's consolidating. All right, I'm just looking for another setup. I'm not really liking the setups. I don't force trades, so we're gonna check to see another. Always refresh. We got us a little trade setup right here. All right, I'm gonna just get in. Oh dang. Oh no, come on, dog. Oh my gosh, come on, bro. Pocket options be tweaking, yo. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're gonna get in for a 10-minute trade this time. Get in for the sell. The reason I say let's get in for the sell is because, as you can see right here, all the setups align, and you just got the sell signal right here. The blue line is very not visible, and it's just coming off of this candle right here breaking through the web slinger, and another one's breaking through the web slinger. So this should be a good sell right here. If I was in my live account, I'd probably did like 3 entries, because I don't do just one trade. I do like 3 trades, all of the same price. That's how I'm able to just really add up, you feel me? So let's just see how it's looking. All right, so let's just stand at this area right here. The last candlestick was like way up here, so when it has said sell in the last candlestick, literally was way up here. That would have been a good time to get in. You'd have been deep in profits, but I'm literally editing the video as I'm trading, so I'm not able to see everything at once, you feel me? As you can see, we had went down in profit. I mean, we went back into profits. It's about to tank real soon. Yeah, I believe that's another candlestick that just opened up. Nice little area right here, and the resistance is right here. Hold on, y'all. All right, let me put y'all boys on game real quick. Let me show y'all what the daily trainings do for me. So let me just see. You can tell right here it would have been a good area to get in for the trade off of the straight support and resistance. This area literally has been reacting to that one spot, like, let me go all the way back. Literally has been reacting to this one spot for a very long time, for like maybe like 3 days. So this would have been a good area to get in for a trade as soon as it would have had broke through that line. And as you can see, it was literally consolidating back and forth right here. But once it broke through that line, that's when you could have been able to tell that the market was going to go down. That's just a little bit of support and resistance for y'all. But I ain't gonna give y'all too much now. We got more videos to post now. But that's just something that my group goes over because we really out here making traders. So we got about 5 minutes, 20 seconds left until this trade clear out, and then we should be on to the next one. We only got to win 2 more trades, and Alright, so we are pretty deep in profits. There is no way this trade's gonna catch back up to me. Oh yeah, the big clears. Clear! Alright, so we're gonna look for another trade idea. Alright, so I feel like we're about to have another trade set up with Euro GBP. Let me just go to currency strength meter. Let me refresh. You can see the Euro and the GBP is way stronger. Alright, now let me go back to this. Alright, so the reason this black line, I had just put it there because what my group has been going over this past like 2 weeks was support and resistance, and this area just like it keeps coming to this area and literally bouncing off. Like there are so many wicks like literally just touching this area and just bouncing off. So I think this is about to be a sell. You see the sell confirmation keeps coming up, keeps popping off. It does keep consolidating a little bit, but if it is to break through, and I'm getting in, not missing out. Getting in, not missing out. Oh boy, not this 5 minute thing. Bro, come on, dog. What is up with it, bro? What's up with it, bro? Like, what's really up, bro? I'm spamming it. And to be honest, I don't even think it's the same thing because it's saying OTC right there. Bro, this would be a good sell, to be honest. Literally. And it's not letting me. But I don't think this one is the same as the one I'm looking at, though. And it's not even letting me change, to be honest. I'm upset. Alright, we just gonna get in for the 5 minutes. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm angry. I'm seriously angry. Listen, when you do the strategy, try to do maybe like 7-10 minute trades. But I am seriously angry right now. Like, seriously. Like, seriously, bro. Hopefully it's the same as that one, like, because this one is just regular Euro GBP, and this one is just Euro GBP OTC. I don't know what the OTC stands for, so if you know what it stands for, I need you, let's Google it. I'm not gonna have none of y'all in the comments capping. OTC meaning, type in forex, OTC, banks instead of exchanges. Yeah. I don't know. Over the counter. Oh.
I beg your pardon?
Yo, I got loud. I got Euro. I got GBP. I got what you need. Holla at me. What you need, little bro? Alright, say that, bro. Follow me real quick. Okay. Alright, I see what you're saying. Got me a plug. Boy, this plug is not rocking with me right now. If it would have been a 10 minute, I would have been solid with it. But for this 5, I'm really not feeling it. I don't get why it's so up. Alright, this may be a lesson for everybody. Like, I believe this is a different one because this one is like shooting up and this one is like shooting down. Yeah, so we're not even gonna count this one. If I take the dub, but we're not even gonna count this one because I'm pretty sure that's not even the same thing. All right, so this video is getting kind of long. I really don't like to have my videos over 20 minutes. And it says the OTC isn't going to wait for another 19 hours. And I'm really ready to start on the next video. But I did explain the web slinger strategy twice. And this time is for sales. I hope I was very understanding. So yeah, I have one thing to say though. If you are interested in joining my group, if you're interested in gaining a strategy that tells you when to get in the market, then I need you to hit me up or go in my link in my description and, you know, just follow the steps really. And for all my I Am Academy people, listen, if your group is teaching you how to be a toll-free caller, you got to change up, my boy, because all you guys have access to this. This is something that we all have access to. So if your group is not utilizing this platform of trading, you have 4 different strategies. If they're not utilizing it, then I don't know what to tell you, my boy. You may have to look elsewhere. But yeah, so if you do want this strategy, please get down in my DMs and let me know, because this strategy tells you when to get in and out of the market, my boy. And listen, I understand everybody don't want to pay to be traders. Everybody not in that situation. That's why I'm posting free YouTube videos. I understand this is an exclusive strategy, but this is for the I Am Academy people, or if anybody interested. But man, with all that being said, man, I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. Go ahead and make sure you hit that like, and of course subscribe. If you get this video, listen, if we get this video to another 100 likes on my next video, which is a banger, I will be using my live account. So all the haters, stand up. But man, it's your boy Flex and IV, and I'm out. There are 2 videos right there, somewhere right there on this side of the screen, and there's a subscribe button right there, so go ahead and click.